Mm-hmm.
Can you turn that down?
Be nice.
And if you could turn off the fan, be nice with Vaughn. Good job, Ava. You gotta wipe his mouth. Oh, Ava, you're so good.
Well, she can just babysit then.
Yeah. How much do you charge an hour, Ava?
We've got a almost 3-month-old and a
Almost
15,
a
almost a year and a half.
She's like 16 months. Don't stick your... Oh, I thought that was your finger. Ava. She wants to see.
That's Vaughn. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
you
Vaughn.
see Vaughn.
You gotta be nice. And you gotta tilt it.
Ava.
Good job.
Good job, Ava.
I think he's full. Okay, we'll see you later.